Classes YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve the exercise of factorization chapter, that is of class 8. What exactly is the meaning of factorization, how we actually factorize the given terms, everything is explained in two of my videos. The link of those videos is shared in the description box. I request all of you to watch those videos without fail to understand the exact meaning of factorization. Because in this video, we are straightway going to start solving exercise. So before I start the first sum of the first exercise of factorization of class 8, I would like to request all of you to subscribe our channel so that you will get the regular updates of such useful videos. So now straightway, let's start with the exercise 6.1 of factorization. Now one more thing I would like to share here is that the way we start solving the exercise, okay, or the way we solve one by one exercise, if you observe the pattern carefully, you will understand what we learn in first type of sums is applied in the second type of sums. What we learn in first and second type is applied in third type of sum. Means don't look at each and every exercise as a separate exercise. Just study it as a new concept. The concept which you learn on the first step is applied in the second step. What you learn on first and second step is going to be used on third step. Again, what you learn in step 1, 2 and 3 is going to be applicable in step 4. So, this is how the concepts of mathematics flow. So now, let's start with the first sum. Here, first Roman number is very easy. We have to only find the common factors. What are the common factors that we have to find? First sum, I am going to solve it in detail. Means I am going to break that sum in number of steps. And once you understand how exactly we have to solve, then the work is going to be very easy from sum number 2. Now here, the first sum is 12x and 36. 12x and 36. Whenever you get the terms and if you have numbers in that, first you have to check what are the common factors of that number. And then we have to look for the highest common factor of both the numbers. So here the numbers are 12 and 36. We have to find the common factor of 12 and 36. If you can think of the highest number, you can straightway factorize with the highest number. In one of my video, I have also explained the shortcut method of finding HCF and also LCM. I will share even those links in description box. So here the highest number by which 12 and 36 are divisible is straightway 12. 12 ones are 12 threes are. Now the factorization ends here. We don't have any common factor in 1 and 3. 1 is common factor of each and every number. So here the common factor is 12. So this 12x is 12 into x and 36 is 12 into 3. So the common factor is 12. Here the common factor is 12. Now the next sum, 2y 22xy. 2y and 22xy. 2y is 2 into y and 22xy is 2 into 11 into x into y. So the common factor here is 2y. It's so easy. Now the third sum is 14pq 28p square q square. Third sum, 14pq 28p square q square. Now 14 and 28. 14 twos are 28. So here 14pq is 14 into p into q. 28p square q square is 14 into 2 into p into p into q into q. Common factors are 14 P and Q. So here common factor is 14PQ. Now the next sum is 2x, 3x square and 4. Now just have a look at these numbers 2, 3 and 4. We don't have any common factor apart from 1. And even in alphabetical part, or we can say the algebraic part, x square, we don't have here any x. So here straightway we can write common factor is 1. Don't write 0 or don't write nil. When you don't find any common factor in the given terms, answer is always 1. Okay, now the fifth sum. Now from this fifth sum onwards, we will apply some other technique. Because see, if you have number of terms and if the power is a to the power of 6, 5 to the power of 8 or y to the power of 12, are we going to write y 12 times or whatever the given number is 10 times, 8 times? No, it's difficult. So in that case, how we have to find the highest common factor? So that technique we will apply from sum number 5. Now here the fifth sum is 6abc 24ab square and 12a square b. Now in this case, have a look at the numbers first. 6, 24, 12. Common factor, or we can say highest common factor, is 6. Okay. Common factor number is 6. Now a. Whenever you check for the alphabetical part, check that whether it is present in all the given terms or no. Now here a and a square. So in that case, compare the powers of the terms. Here it is 1, here it is 1 and here it is 2. So our common factor is the algebraic term with the least power. Means here it is a. Now let's check for b. Here we have b, here we have b square and here we have b. So next is b. Now what about c? C is present only in first term. It's not present in second and third term. So it's not going to be the common factor. So this is how we have to write the common factors without splitting the terms. You have to practice that, because later when we come to the higher sums, you have to make yourself perfect in such type of factorization. Only by looking at the terms, you must be able to find out what are the common factors. Now let's move to sum number 6. Sixth sum is 16x cube minus 4x square 32x. Okay. Now here the numbers are 16, minus 4 and 32. Minus 4 is 4 into minus 1. So in this case, common factor is 4. 4 into 4 is 16. 4 into 8 is 32. So here common factor is 4. Algebraic part, here is x cube, x square and here it is x, means power is 1. And what did I tell you? You have to take the variable with the least power. Means here it's x. So here the common factor is 4x. Let's check what is our seventh sum. Now here the seventh sum is 10pq 20qr and 30rp. Okay. Now here the numbers are 10, 20, 30. Common factor is 10. Let's write that straight away. Now what about the variable part? Here we have pq. Here we have qr and here we have rp. Means altogether we have p, q and r. But none of them is common in all the three terms. P is present in first term and last term. Q is present in first and second term. R is present in second and last term. So we don't have any alphabetical part common in all the three terms. So our common factor is only 10. Let's move to the 8th and last sum of this first Roman number. Now here the 8th one is 3x square y cube 10x cube y square and 6x square y square z. Okay, now here the numbers are 3, 10 and 6. 3 is common factor of 3 and 6. 2 is common factor of 10 and 6. But we don't have any common factor for all the three terms. Means numerical factor. Okay, let's check for the alphabetical part, algebraic part. Here we have x square, x cube, x square. Algebraic part with the least power. Y cube, y square, y square, y square. Z is present only in the last term. It's not there in first and second term. So Z is not going to be the common factor. So this exercise was only to give you a practice how to find the common factor. So in our next exercise, we are actually going to factorize some simple expressions, and that we will continue in our next video. So to get the update of that video, without fail, you have to subscribe our channel and share these videos among your friends. And my dear students, my dear viewers, thank you so much for watching this video.